Animal healthcare. Veterinary science encompasses the medical care and treatment of various animal species, including pets, livestock, and wildlife. Veterinarians diagnose illnesses, perform surgeries, and provide preventive care to ensure the health and welfare of animals. Disease prevention. Preventive medicine is a vital aspect of veterinary science, involving vaccinations, parasite control, and health management strategies to reduce the risk of diseases in animals and potential transmission to humans. Surgery and care. Veterinarians perform surgical procedures and offer post-operative care, rehabilitation, and recovery support to animals in need of medical interventions. Public health role. Veterinary professionals play a crucial role in safeguarding public health by ensuring the safety of food products, monitoring zoonotic diseases, and controlling disease outbreaks that can affect both animals and humans. Research and innovation. Veterinary science contributes to advancements in animal health through research in areas such as genetics, pharmacology, and disease management, leading to improved treatments and technologies. Specialized fields. Veterinary science offers various specialized fields, including small animal medicine, large animal medicine, exotic animal medicine, and more, catering to different animal species and medical needs. One Health approach. The One Health concept emphasizes the interconnectedness of human, animal, and environmental health, aiding the collaboration between veterinary science and other health disciplines to address global challenges. Animal welfare. Veterinarians advocate for and ensure the welfare of animals, addressing issues such as humane treatment, ethical considerations, and the prevention of cruelty. Educational role. Veterinary science plays a pivotal role in educating the next generation of veterinarians and promoting awareness of animal health and responsible pet ownership. Emergency response. Veterinary professionals respond to emergencies, such as natural disasters or disease outbreaks, providing vital care to animals and supporting communities during crises.